Hi, and welcome to Evalink Tutorials. Together, we will add and set up a new integration, the Virtual TNA Receiver, into your evalink talos account. From your evalink talos dashboard, navigate to the menu Company and click on the tab Integrations. Search for the Virtual TNA Receiver and click on Add Integration. Then, click on the Submit button. Now, the next step is to enable and configure the Virtual TNA Receiver on your site so that you can allow communication between your TNA device and evalink talos. To add the Virtual TNA Receiver integration to a site, navigate to the menu Sites, pick the site to configure, click on the tab Integrations, and then click on TNA Receiver. To enable the Virtual TNA Receiver, click on the button Enable Virtual TNA Receiver. Then, enter the MAC address and select a service level agreement from the list. The MAC address can be found on the Ethernet connectors label. The next step should happen on-site by the installer. They must wire the TNA device and power it on. Since the TNAs are delivered pre-configured, the device will establish a connection to evalink talos without any further configurations. Do you need to connect the Virtual TNA Receiver onto more than one site? Just go back to the menu Sites and repeat the process. And that's it! You have now added and set up the Virtual TNA Receiver integration into your evalink talos account, where you can manage alarms from TNA devices quickly and efficiently.